Hi everyone, my name is Arif Qadir. I'm from Daira Tech. Daira Tech is a company that focuses on spatial awareness, communication, and tracking. We've built an in-house IoT platform that's focused on crowd management. We are 3 founders with an amazing team. We've got a couple of PhDs also working with us on our solution. Hajj Guider is our first product. Every year, more than 20 million Muslims go to Makkah for Hajj and Umrah. It is a place which has one of the highest crowd densities, so there are many problems that arise, like people getting lost, many people get injured, and unfortunately, sometimes people lose their lives. We've built a solution where we've built a smartwatch which works with our IoT platform and a companion app that gives pilgrims features like two-way audio, offline navigation and tracking, and an SOS button in cases of emergency. They also have a digital mobile guide so they exactly know what steps to perform and when. A detailed look at the smartwatch, it gives you a real quick and simple view of where your group members are. It allows you to quickly contact them, and it also has some useful features like the tawaf counter and a dua counter. This is our secret sauce. So we plan to work with Hajj ministries and Hajj travel consultancies. And our platform allows them to manage and organize all the pilgrims, assign them different hardwares, track them, communicate with them through a communications hub, and respond to any SOS that they get from any of the pilgrims. The market opportunity is huge. Every year, more than 20 million people go combined for Hajj and Umrah. More than 60% of these people are foreigners and they're going there for the first time. On average, they spend around a minimum of $3,000 per pilgrim. We have competition in forms of cheap Chinese trackers that are available, but they're not specially built for this use case. There are some free Hajj mobile apps, but they do not have the features that we offer. Our main distribution is going to be B2B, where we work with the ministries and the Hajj travel consultancies. Our pricing will vary depending on the order size from $40 to $70. Our IoT platform can be used for a lot of different use cases in the future as well. We're looking for, currently we have the product. Right now we're looking for $1 million in funding. We had a pre-seed fund of $132,000. We're looking for investors that believe in us, see our vision for the future, and we're planning to fully launch this year in Hajj 2018. Thank you.
Okay. So, again, too much text, and because you read it, you were 30 minutes over time.
30 minutes?
30 seconds.
30 seconds, sorry.
Oh.
But if you haven't stopped, you could, anyways. So, one thing is that I usually mention is consistency. So when I see over 80% of the pilgrim are foreigners, and when I see foreign pilgrims 60%, I like, what number?
Yeah, I had this typo, we fixed it now, but.
I know, but like this says, which number is true? So I start doubting whatever you said to me. Colors may look good on the laptop, but
yeah, they're coming up weird over here.
Black, white works, not the other way around. Or, I mean, usually. Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, so yeah, I certainly what Ozan said, a lot of text, you got to work on the colors. That's fairly superficial, but what's the business?
The business is selling our hardware and our platform.
Okay, but so a business has customers.
Yeah.
Who are the customers?
So our main target customers are Hajj travel agencies and Hajj ministries. They're the people who organize travels for the pilgrims every year.
Right.
So they are going to be our main customers. We did a test this year with the Pakistani Hajj Ministry and a few Hajj travel consultants. So we did around 100 units.
Yeah.
And we incorporated their feedback into our system. So we're already in communication with 3 Hajj ministries in Pakistan, in Nigeria, and Sudan.
Right. So what I was getting to is what caused you to develop this. So it sounds like you've actually had some validation that had I not asked you, we wouldn't know about. So why did you keep that a mystery?
Sorry, what?
So it seems like whatever you have been doing for the last more than a year,
Yeah.
as far as since I know you, is not reflected.
Okay.
So if you have traction, and this is also very important for you. So if your second slide after this,
The team was the second slide.
I don't know where to put this. Maybe here.
There you go.
All right. So if there is any validation whatsoever, a good suggestion is to just drop it right after this. We are Daira Technologies. Think. As of today, 10,000 people have used us and paid us money. Then you can tell why they paid you money for. Because if I know somebody trusted you, it gives me confidence that I'm not the first idiot to trust you. So there's like a lot of people trust us. Okay, some people paid us, which is much better, which means somebody trusted you, which tells me if I listen to you, I don't need to second guess if this is validated, if this works, if this doesn't work, some kind of reason why I should keep on listening to you.
So the point really is you had a good case. I mean, we didn't talk much about it, and I'm sure there's more to it, but you've got a case study that tells us that that there's a customer that's sort of going on the journey with you, and you may have more than one. So to give us that example, and whether it's revenue or a promise in terms of a pre-sale, anything like that, all of that is it's evidence of a business. And so what we heard about was a product looking for a problem. What we want to hear about is a business.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Again, something to send as an email. You can fix it to present because you're here.
Yeah.
And then we'll be good to go.
All right,
Well done.
cool.
Nice.
Thank you.
Nice job.
So